I don't see awareness is the issue. Apprehensions are the issue, right? So if you go to the remotest parts, like for example, outskirts of Vadodara, we call him uncle. I don't even sorry remember the name, but uh, uncle is a 65-year-old gentleman, owns two sort of diesel tractors. The guy is always hooked onto YouTube. There are farm channels available. There is farm influencers, right? So I always take this example. There's a guy called Jugnu who's a farm influencer who did a sort of a product. Sort of unboxing of this John Deere tractor, diesel tractor, and he got 7 million views from the farming community, right?
Oh,
So it's usually us with the corporate background and consulting and so on. So we sort of always sit in the Bangalore, Pune, and
yeah.
Mumbai and sort of look at India in a different way. But
Mm.
the rural India are hooked to reels, shorts, YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
So awareness is not an issue. Apprehension is.